Over the next 3 days, you will hear inspiring stories, you will see cutting-edge technology, and you will make connections with people who share your vision for a more connected, smarter healthcare system.
We're trying to empower caregivers and provide platforms where payers and providers can truly collaborate and where administrative burdens just start to dissolve over time. And that's what we want. That's our purpose in riding alongside you on this journey.
I just want us to be aware things are changing fast. And when we think about generations, we view them as clues and not a box. So we're not putting people in boxes, but we are looking for behavioral clues that you and I can use to start to connect faster.
Champions adjust. No matter the situations, if you're a champion in your heart, you can adjust to it and you'll figure out a way to deal with it. And I've always used that on and off of the course.